Hello friends, this is Rishi Gupta and today I am here to discuss a very pertinent question that has been raised by a lot many people, myself included. That was Dolores, the host, actually alive or conscious per se at the end of season 1 of Westworld? So guys, before we go ahead and try to answer that question, I think the first question that we need to answer is what is actually being conscious or being alive? For any of us, not just the hosts but normal human beings as well. So guys, what is consciousness? Is it the ability to perceive your environment? Is it the ability to think? Is it the ability to make decisions based on some logic, your previous experiences, some emotion? What is actually consciousness, or a combination of all of these things that probably cannot be put to words? So I think it's a mixture of everything. It is a mixture of your ability to think. It's a mixture of your ability to recall previous events and use those events to make decisions in the future. It's your ability to feel emotions. Ultimately, emotions are a culmination of everything that you have perceived in your past and are perceiving right now. So all of these combined, and probably a lot more that I'm not talking about, amounts to consciousness. Now when it comes to hosts, we are trying to draw that line where we can say that this human is alive but this host is not. And it's in Westworld, they have made it very clear that the hosts have been improved upon since the past 30 or 35 years, and they have been updated and made more and more aware, not aware but definitely more and more intelligent. So when we say that a host here, Dolores, is able to feel emotions, is able to remember her past, is able to make decisions on her own, but guided by a set of rules or logic that have been written by coders or the person who is telling the narrative or creating the narrative. So what I believe is just definitely Dolores was alive or conscious, because when you think about it, everything that humans are able to do, Dolores was able to do at the end of the first season. She was able to think for herself, and that precisely is what this means. And how can you say that our brain is doing something more than what her system is doing? So her system is able to do almost everything that we are able to do using our brain. So I think it's very fair to say that she was definitely alive, she was definitely conscious, because she had gotten to a point where she need not maybe follow the guidelines of what has been written for her. She was able to make her own set of rules based on what she thought was right. And all of this thinking comes from all of the processing that's happening inside of her brain. Even though that processing has been programmed, but now it is writing its own code. So I think that is what is important, and that is why I believe that Dolores was definitely conscious, was definitely alive, probably more than most of the humans around, because humans tend to have a lot of fallacies, humans tend to have a lot of problems with them, and probably being a machine, that problems are not existing in Dolores. So guys, to answer the question, definitely Dolores, I think, is alive, is conscious. It will be very interesting to see in season 2 what this comes to, or where the story leads us. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, do subscribe to my channel, and there are a ton of other videos on the channel about Westworld, about other TV shows and movies that you can watch. Thank you so much.